When performing a backup or restore, an insufficient permissions message might be encountered. To resolve this issue, you may grant read and write permissions to AhsayOBM. Go to Control Panel. Click Shared Folder. Select the shared folder which contains your source directory. Take note, this must be done for each and every source directory you will back up. Click Edit. Navigate to the Permissions tab and select System Internal User. Then the custom column of the application package account. In the Permission Settings window, check all options under Apply To so that the permission settings will be applied to all descendants. Take note, if you're using a white-labeled OBM package for user or group, you should select the equivalent branded OBM product name, i.e., Example OBM. Check the permission of read and write. AhsayOBM requires permission of traverse folders and execute files, list folders or read data, read attributes, read extended attributes, create files or write data, create folders or append data, write attributes, write extended attributes, delete subfolders and files, and delete. To learn how AhsayOBM works in Synology DSM 7, refer to this article from AhsayOBM workaround to support Synology DSM 7. You may check the article link in the description.